What's up guys, it's Osirus. Welcome to a brand new video in this sampling series. Today we're going to be talking about filters and filtering drum sounds and your sample sounds to create new sounds in your track. So filters are very important tools when sampling, and today I'll show you how you can extract a bass from a sample, or how you can extract the hi-hats and cymbals from a drum sample and use them in your track. So let's get right into this. The last time we created this track, let's play this. So the first thing I want to do is take off the hi-hats from this drum loop. So I'll make this unique. Then I'll route this to, let's see, track 4. Track 4 is fine. Then I'll just filter. I'll bring up an EQ here, and I'm just going to filter the low end. So I'm going to high pass this and only let the high end play. So let's listen to this. So from here, we've gotten hi-hats for our drums, and we can do this with other samples. Let's check if I want extra high end for my drums. I can pull up a sample here. Let me go through some of the samples I have here with loops. Then this is 90 BPM. So this is full of this has lots of hi-hats and cymbals. So I'll route this to track 4 where we filtered out the drums. So we had this before, and now we have this. Let's listen to this. And we can still use this high-end sample, these cymbals and hi-hats in the main drum. Let's listen to this. And we could also do this the other way. Let's say we just wanted the kick and the snare of this sample. We could just low pass this and just have the kick and the snare. But what I usually do is take a drum sample or take a drum loop and high pass this to get my hi-hats and cymbals, and I create my kick and snare. So this is a very nice way you can get your groove rolling when you have a sample playing. When you have a sampled melody playing, you can just take a drum loop, high pass it, and have the groove of the hi-hats playing, and just start placing in your kicks and snares. So that's the first thing we are doing today. So the next thing we'll do is let's see. So I have this sample here. I'm going to make this unique. And then we'll try to get the bass out of this sample. Let's route this to track 5. Let's listen to this. So we can hear the bass there, and I'm just going to pull up an EQ and let's low pass this. So let just the bass play. Let's listen to this. add some plugins to this to enhance the bass. Let's see, let's add in vintage chorus. I'm going to add in fruity blood overdrive. Let's add in some saturation. I'm just going to add in a compressor after this. So we've been able to create a bass melody from the original sample. Let's listen to how this sounds. So another important thing you can get with filters is creating new sections in your track. So for example, you can put a filter on this O on the master. Let's put an EQ on the master. That's my vintage chorus doing this. Then we can just have this low pass when some sections play and high pass when some sections play. So maybe we'll low pass this when the rapper is about to put in a verse, and we'll bring this back when the verse is done. So that's one way you can create sections in your sampled beats in FL Studio. So let's check this out. So you have this, you can play around with the filter on the master. That'll be all for today, guys. I hope you've learned something from this. Filters are very important tools when sampling in FL Studio, and they can help you get things done fast. You can easily create different melodies or different sections just from the same sample or from the same section, just from using filters, high pass filters, low pass filters. And yeah, I hope you learned something from this, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.